HP EliteDisplay E243 24 monitor HD IPS screen Silver 1FH47A8. Crafted for optimal productivity and ergonomics with a 3-sided micro edge bezel, 4-way adjustability, and 100mm VESA pattern mount. Find your most comfortable productive position with adjustable tilt, height, swivel, and up to 150mm height adjustment settings. Crisp visuals from any angle with 1920x1080 Full HD resolution, 23.8-inch diagonal IPS screen. Work with your most frequently used devices with VESA, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Connect your USB accessories right at the display with 2 USB 3.0 ports. Low halogen, Energy Star certified, EPEAT Gold registered display that meets TCO Certified Edge with 85% post-consumer recycled plastics. Design the screen for how you work with HP Display Assistant software, which enables screen partitioning. Rest assured that your investment is supported by a 3-year standard limited warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.